Greetings. Now we are all going to see about third unit product architecture that we will see introduction. What is product architecture? A product can be thought of in both functional and physical terms. Like we are all seen in the civil engineering or constructing a small house. Not that much specifications, that much complexities. Whereas to construct an apartment or satellite cities need more complexities. Similar passion for a product also, micro product also. A product architecture consider about many functions in one components. That's what product architecture trying to explain. The functional elements of product are the individual operations and transformations that contribute to the overall performance of the product. For a printer, some of the functional elements, paper storage, communicate to the host computer, cartridge, printing cartridge, etc. The functional elements are usually described in schematic form before they are reduced to specific technologies, components as physical working principles. The product architecture. Physical elements of a product are typically organized into several major physical building blocks, which we call as chunks. Each chunk is then made up of a collection of components that implement the functions of the product. The architecture of a product is the scheme by which the functional elements of the product are arranged into physical chunks and by which the chunks interact. That's what we call it as a liaison between each parts. Liaison in the sense relationship between each components, association of movements, association of functions, etc. Modularity. Before going to see depth of architecture, we need to some terminologies like modularity. Modularity is a relative property of a product architecture. The products are rarely strictly modular or integral. Rather, we can say that they exhibit either more or less modularization than a comparative products. The picture it indicates for a humanoid. It has elements, the major components, and the modules, small modules, and the widgets. This way, modularity is useful for designing stage as well as the application stage. The types of modularity: slot modularity, bus modularity, sectional modularity. The extreme left shows architecture of the slot modular. The second one indicates bus modular. The arrangement itself shows what is bus modular. Like in a power pack in electrical systems, how the connectors are connected in one array is a good example for a bus modular. Sectional modular. It is very much useful like a printer. So sectional modular. How to implement the architecture for a specified product. Why we are all implementing architecture in your product? So if we can give more value addition to the product. Each value additions, for example, a mobile phone, camera, music, videos, calculators. So calculators are one module, videos are another module. So every module is associated in one component. Right? So why it is require product change? To ensure the varieties in the product to capture, to retain our customers. Component standardization, product performance, manufacturability, product development and management. So we implicate the architecture due to this reason. Product change. What is product change? The picture itself we can say. Change in the sense, earlier it was steam engine and then petrol engine. Now we are all looking for electrical vehicles. So the change, we are all witness that change only the common in the world. There is no change, nothing will move, nothing will improve, right? Change is vital. The industry too. What are the things can be changed? Upgradation, adds-ons, adaptation, wear and tear, consumptions, flexibilities in use, and then reuse. Due to these reasons, we can change the product. Product varieties, the picture shows. Varieties of products is essential to attract the customers. So we need to give more varieties. Because each customers, their desires are all different. So variety refers to the range of product models the firm can produce within a particular time period in response to market demand. The products built around modular product varieties, it is adding tremendous complexity to the manufacturing systems.